As you can see, darkness is upon us. So basically, there's not any light. There's no sun in the sky to be seen. So basically, in this box right here, we have a solar panel, right? And then on the lid itself, we have an LED, right? Okay? And an LED itself is connected to 11.1 volt lithium polymer battery. So the main question is, does artificial light produce energy, or is it not possible? So, does a solar panel need natural light, or can you use artificial light to produce energy? So right now, all I have to do is just connect the battery, and then I'm going to have the LED on, and then we'll be able to measure if the solar panel is producing any voltage. So let me connect the battery. Oof, that's hot. Okay, so battery on. Okay, now the battery is on. I'm going to take the test meter and put it on the LED to block out the light, right? And then as you can see, let's put this thing on 20 volts. And now let's measure the voltage. Okay, so there's the probes. Okay, I feel sorry for you guys because you can't even see anything, so I'm going to switch on the light. There we go, now we can see. All right, so these are the output leads to the solar panel, right? I don't want you thinking I'm trying to con you guys, so I'm going to show you inside the box, right? So there's the solar panel and there's the output wires. As you can see, there's nothing connected to the solar panel. See, these are the wires to the solar panel, these ones right here, right? And there's the LED right there. All right, okay, these are the output wires. This is 5 volt solar panel. Okay, so take our test leads and then we measure the voltage. Boom, it's measuring a good 5 volts of power, baby. 5 volts. Okay, now 499, right? That's 5 volts of power. Okay, now I have a 12 volt LED strip right here, there and there. Do you see it? It's super dumb, but let me switch off this. Boom. Do you see it? Okay, yeah, it's too much light. I need to cover this light somehow. Okay, there. Do you see that red? Oh, come on. There. Do you see it now? See? And the reason it's not super bright is because this is a 12 volt LED strip. But I can tell you, I could power the whole LED strip. Like, we're talking 1 meter long LED strip that runs on 12 volts. And I could power it. Although it wasn't bright, I could still power it to make it show this like red, as you can see. So there we go. It works. Okay, now all I have to do is see if it can charge something. There we go. Okay, the positive wire is connected, and then we connect the negative. Boom, done. Okay, now that I have it connected, I want to see if it can power a ring light. Okay, we'll put it there, and then we take the input and then we connect it. Boom, it's connected, right? And oh, look, the LED is on. Can I switch it on? So close. No, I can't switch it on, but it does prove it because this tiny little LED that's in this remote is on. As you can see, there's the LED, but I can't switch it on because it looks like the battery is dying. Yeah, but anyway, I did prove that it is possible to power stuff. Maybe I'll try using a bigger solar panel. maybe I'll get more output out of it. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this experiment that I tried. Alright, so that should conclude the video. It looks like the battery is like dying. Let me show you the brightness. See, it's like dumb. Alright, I'll disconnect the battery. Alright, so thanks for watching. Please consider liking or subscribing. Hope to see you in another video. The darkness is upon us. Consider watching another video. Bye.